Hello Silicon Soldiers, welcome back to our channel. See this. These are artworks generated using AI. If you're a beginner and have always wanted to create stunning digital art without any prior experience, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So, few days ago we all used a free AI art generator tool called Midjourney. But now, it's not free anymore. Now you have to pay around $8 to generate around 200 images per month. On this video, many of you commented to show a free AI art generator tool. And here it is. In this video, we are going to use Google Colab to make high-quality AI artworks, which will be far better than Midjourney. And the best part is that it's completely free to use with a lot of customization options. So, first things first, head to the Colab notebook link provided in the video description. From here things get a little complicated, so follow the steps carefully. Next, when you are here, click on File and then click Save a Copy in Drive. Then click on Open in New tab. A copy of this notebook will be saved on your Google Drive and you will be redirected to that notebook. Now, click on the Run button. The build process will be started. Here we have to wait a bit, cause we are using a T4 GPU for free, which costs around $1,000. But in this case, we are using it for free. After it finished building, you will get two links. Click on the second link. A new interface will be opened in a new tab. Here we can see a prompt input box. The more detail you provide in the prompt input box, the more detailed artwork you get. If you can't write your own detailed prompt, just copy this engineered prompt from the link provided in video description. Paste the text in ChatGPT, replace the idea section with your desired image idea and hit enter. You will get some high-quality prompts as output. Copy one of them and paste it in the prompt section. Once you've entered your prompt, click on Generate. The AI will take a few moments to process and create your image. Here, you can see a progress bar showing the generation status. And there it is, your very own artwork, generated entirely by AI. Isn't that amazing? Just check out the quality of the image. You can download the image by clicking the download icon on the specific image. But let's not stop there. You can get as creative as you want with your prompts. Here we also have advanced options. Just click on the checkbox that says advanced. Then a side panel will open. Don't be scared, it's not that complicated. Here we have different presets to select from. Then we can select the aspect ratio of our image. Then we have image number and image format. In the Style tab, we have different styles to choose from. Hover on them to preview sample image. Then on the Models tab, we can select different models for our image. And in the Advanced tab, we can select guidance scale and image sharpness. Next, we have an Input Image checkbox. Select that if you want to input an image and perform tasks on that image. Here we have Upscale, Image Prompt, Describe these tabs. Play around with those on your own. And that's it. You've just learned to generate images and artworks using AI. Remember, the possibilities are endless and here is no limit. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and exciting. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome content. If you have any questions or want to share your creations, drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching and happy creating with AI. See you in the next video.